Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to see your subscribed canvases on Webtoon. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to see your subscribed canvases on Webtoon. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply focus on the bottom of the screen. Right next to canvases, you can see a button like this called as My. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is my recent Webtoon. And right next to it, you will see a button like this called as Subscribed. Click on it, and as such, you will be able to view all your subscribed canvases. Do note that in case you want to delete them, simply click on the delete button and select the canvas. Once you've selected it, simply click on delete. And guys, that is it. That's how we see your subscribed canvases on Webtoon. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.